Happy New Year to you. Clark Howard here, hanging out with my buddy Rex. And Rex was one of my after Christmas deals years ago. Rex was unwanted. I got him for $99 at Sam's Club, down from $249. Now, the pattern used to be right after Christmas you'd get deals. But because so many people give gift cards, that creates a huge amount of traffic after Christmas all the way through the first week of the New Year's. So you got to wait longer now to get the real deals like Rex Baby here. Now here's one I got last January. This is North Dakota State University, which is kind of like a cult school. They win the second level NCAA football championship year after year after year. I'm so impressed with how they travel to follow their team everywhere. This was on after Christmas clearance for $10. It's a good hoodie with pockets and all that. And I get to show my support for that incredible team support they have. Crazy, right? But the thing is, the deals are crazy throughout the month of January, because whatever's left is unloved. The retailers have to get rid of it. We're going to be up to the moment for you on those deals at clarkdeals.com.